Welcome to Swift Scripting. In this first chapter of our HTML tutorial series, we'll start from scratch and build your foundation in web development. Let's begin with an essential question: what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's the backbone of the web, used to structure content like text, images, and links on a web page. Imagine HTML as the framework of a house. It's what gives the content its structure and organization. HTML isn't about making things look pretty, that's where CSS comes in. HTML is about creating the building blocks. In the next section, we'll set up the tools you need to start writing HTML code. Stay tuned. Now that we know what HTML is, let's get hands-on. First, we need the right tools to write and test our code. Oh, you can use a basic editor like Notepad on Windows or TextEdit on Mac. However, I recommend using Visual Studio Code, it's free and powerful. Any browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari will work. We'll use it to view the output of our HTML code. With your tools ready, you're all set to start coding. Next, we'll look at the structure of an HTML document. Now let's create our first HTML document and understand its structure. Don't worry, it's simpler than you think. Now let's create our first HTML document and understand its structure. Don't worry, it's simpler than you think. This tells the browser we're using HTML5. Oh, HTML, the root element that contains everything on the page.
Head holds information about the document, like the title. Title sets the name of the web page visible in the browser tab. Body, where the visible content of the page goes, like text, images, and more. Save your file with the .html extension and open it in your browser to see the result. You've just created your first web page. Congrats! In the next chapter, we'll dive into basic HTML tags like headings and paragraphs to start building content. Don't forget to like, subscribe,